Hello and welcome. In these short videos, I'll be covering issues like your cash flow, superannuation, insurance, and government benefits. In these videos, I'll be answering some common questions about accessing government benefits. Chances are you've already had a look at the Centrelink website or maybe visited one of their offices. Applying for government benefits can be a trying process, whether you're a carer or someone with a qualified disability like Parkinson's. Assuming you've been able to get to a point where you've had a benefit approved, do you know whether you've maximised your entitlements? If you're in the position right now, you may benefit from some advice about your entitlements. If you don't know someone who knows the way around this area, asking a qualified financial advisor is a worthwhile option. Let's look at some common questions people have about accessing Centrelink benefits. All claims for Centrelink benefits, including those for disability, pensions, and for carers, are means tested. There are two kinds of tests that are applied, an income test and an assets test. In simple terms, any income you are receiving affects how much pension you're eligible for, and any assets you own outside your home, if you own one, are also taken into account. These tests take into account your age, marital status, whether you're receiving other benefits or have received a payout of some kind. In the case of, say, a disability or mobility allowance, your medical condition is also important to Centrelink. With every kind of claim people make, be it for a disability allowance or carer payment, they must also meet some eligibility criteria. It's also important to understand that if you are seeking government assistance, you need to think about your whole financial situation to ensure you're not affecting your eligibility for benefits. For example, if you access your superannuation before retirement age on hardship grounds, this can have an impact on your eligibility for a disability support pension. That's why it's a good idea to talk over your individual circumstances with a qualified financial advisor. You'll be surprised at how affordable this is, and it could help you make the most of your entitlements along with other aspects of your cash flow. If you've been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease and qualify for disability support, there are other types of government assistance available to you, depending upon your needs. These include mobility allowance, where you are needing to look for work or you're a volunteer or attending some type of training and need substantial assistance with public transport. Other assistance you might be eligible for include pensioner concession cards, a pensioner education supplement, rent assistance, or even a remote area allowance. You can check the Centrelink website for more details by going to the page for disability support pensions and looking under Other Benefits. You can start the process by going online to the Centrelink website. It contains a lot of information and offers loads of assistance. Each page offers you options depending on your situation, plus more in-depth information. You can feel a bit overwhelmed by it all. The website asks you to fill in plenty of forms too. If you don't know what you're doing, it's easy to miss something important. Go to Centrelink's homepage and start with Individuals. Then choose your situation by clicking Illness or Disability, or if you're a carer, choosing Caring. You'll then be offered some options, including one called Payments. Click on this option to get to the page for making a claim. This page also shows you your eligibility conditions and the payment rates. You can download a claim form, all 26 pages of it, and complete it in your own time. If you're not confident about doing this, using the internet, you should ask someone you know for help, or make an appointment at one of Centrelink's offices. You can also ask for assistance from a financial advisor. If you're caring for someone older than 16 on a daily basis and they have a severe disability like Parkinson's, a carer payment can provide you with income support if you're not able to support yourself through your paid employment. And a carer allowance is a supplementary payment that may also be available if you're a parent or carer who provides this daily care. The allowance can be paid in addition to wages or other income, support payments like the carer payment or an age pension. As a primary carer, there is nothing in Centrelink's eligibility requirements that says you have to live with your Parkinson's affected family member. The only requirement, other than the one that says your family member must have been diagnosed with a severe disability, is that their condition means you need to provide care every day, either at their place or at yours. It's one thing to have a claim assessed and approved, but you may not be maximising your eligibility. For example, there's always a chance that you could be missing out on a secondary payment or allowance because you meet certain other eligibility criteria. And there are aspects of your finances that you might not have thought about before making a claim that can affect how much you're likely to be paid. The best approach is to look at your whole financial position and structure things so that Centrelink's income and assets tests work to your best advantage. This includes looking at things like your super and any insurance benefits you may be eligible for, as well as ownership of any assets you have. We cover some of these things in our other 2 videos. Be sure to watch them and make a note of anything that might be helpful. My name is Scott Brower and I'm with Outlook Financial Solutions. Thank you for listening.